Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to analyze Bank Nifty, that is for 24th of August, basis the past week. And we are also going to analyze the stocks which can be added as a portfolio for the coming weeks. And we will see how we can play around with options. I will show you what option positions I am holding right now. So let's get started. So we are going to analyze Bank Nifty on a monthly time frame first. So this is our trend line which we have drawn some time back. So the trend line has two touches, 1, 2, and this is a third touch. And as we have predicted, the market is going up. This is a crucial level, 21,127. If this crosses, then it can surely go up to 25,600. That will be the next target for us. So we have to keep a watch on this. And there is good buying incoming at all the levels whenever market is trying to go down, which is a very good sign. So let's see on a weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, there was a rejection at the super trend. So there are two reversal candles. If you notice, super trends works really well, guys. If you see any point of time, you will find these kind of rejection candles near the super trend always. And it is so accurate, you have to just wait for the candle to close. If the candle closes above the super trend, you can go long. But here, see, there is a topping tail bar. There's a topping tail bar, again a fall, again a fall. Now again it is coming up for the third time to try this. So 21, this level, 23,228 is a crucial level. So we have to see if the market opens gaps up at this level, then we can definitely expect the market to go up to 25,448. That is our 20 period moving average. So let's analyze this on a daily time frame. So you can see here this was the lowest point, the second lower high, higher low. This was a low and this was a higher low, and from there onwards the market has never come to this level so far. So it is showing a good bullish trend. Let's analyze this on a daily time frame. Daily time frame, we had a narrow range candle here. This was the narrowest candle, and again a narrow range candle, and again a small range candle, which is a sign, but this has formed a pattern, and the market is staying in this zone for quite some time now. Let's see if I can draw a rectangle here. We don't have a rectangle here. Anyways, now let's go to a 15-minute time frame and see complete. You can put a horizontal line here and a horizontal line here. So this was in a range, complete range. Although we were expecting the market to come down and close this gap, but no, market was very bullish. Assume this as a green bar here and see how it has gone up, and from there it is holding up and the momentum is still positive, and this last bar is a positive signal for us because it has taken the red candle high. So this was a buying trigger for us because it's on a 20 period moving average, a green bar taking out on a red bar. So this is a bullish sign for us. So let's see. So let's have a look at what is the position I'm having right now. So if you can see, let's go to my portfolio. These are the two positions which I'm having right now. Okay, so I have a profit of about 2,200 in these positions, So I have a bank nifty butterfly. Let me show you how it looks. So the market is at 22299. So this is the market, current market, and this is the butterfly which I have made. So my profit is about 19,000. If the market expires within this range, that is, this is my peak profit. If it expires at this point, say 22,396, this will be my profit. If it goes out of this range till the expiry, then my maximum loss, any sides, this side or this side, then the maximum loss is 5,950. So now in this scenario, if you see that market is coming to this level and you want to hold the position, there is still one more day left for expiry, what you can do is actually you can go and buy one more call on this leg. Simple, right? So the market is here and you're doing this. So you're locking your profit if the market goes higher from here. So this is a simple adjustment which you can do, but you have to do it if the market crosses this peak and comes till here, so that you have enough space here. So your break-even point will be 22,133. So the market has to break this 22,133 so that you start making loss. So you can convert this position like this if you are carrying it till expiry, if you see that the market is going bullish. So this is the way I usually adjust. Okay, so this is my position right now. And if we look at the other position on Nifty also similar case, where I have a bullish position a little forward. So I have no loss here. So my maximum loss is about 3,866, and the maximum profit if it expires here is about 11,000 rupees. So don't you think, guys, so this is very important, guys, that you have to always trade in such a fashion that you have a maximum loss which is smaller and maximum profit which is higher. So always try to trade in this. This is giving you a good 1:3 ratio, close to 1:2, 2.5 ratio. So you can continue trading like this. What is the problem? Why do you want to become an overnight millionaire? Have this open and keep it for like a couple of days. And if the market goes in your favor, you'll make that 11,000 profit. If it doesn't go in your favor, you're losing only 3,866, which is fine. Rather than experimenting with multiple strategies on an intraday level, where you're going to lose so much, and at the end of the day you get frustrated that nothing you have taken home. Even if a week trade can give you about 11,000 rupees by the end of the week, so that is a good enough trade. This is only one lot. If you notice, this is only one lot which I'm talking. If you have enough capital, you can have this like multiple lots here, and your profit size goes substantially higher. So do this kind of a trade for a weekly basis and see if I add like 10 lots here. So if I add 10 lots here and say assume that we have 5 lots here and 5 lots here. So see the profit. Your profit is 55,000 rupees. This can be somebody's salary for a month. 55,000 rupees is what you get from this single trade, and your maximum loss is about 19,000. But you should be ready to lose this 19,000 if it goes wrong. So the more the capital, the more is the risk, but the risk is limited. See, 20,000, 20,000, you are getting about 1:2, 2.5 in this trade also. So which is good. But if you are sticking to this strategy, stick to this strategy. If you are sticking to this strategy, then always do this strategy, because if you keep experimenting, changing the strategies, then definitely you are going to lose money. This strategy, you have risk and reward defined, and you are going to continuously use this same strategy every week and every month, and see how you will not make money, because the strategy itself has risk defined and reward defined. So you just have to create that strategy and have proper technical analysis and ensure that the market direction is correct. That is what you have to do, nothing else. So people make it very complicated by trying to catch the running train. There are many patterns which you can trade on intraday basis, having a smaller stop loss, doing futures, or buying naked options, waiting for that particular moment to come, strike and all. See, you need to keep one thing in mind. Your brain, your body will not be the same all your life long. So the lesser the stress you give yourself and to your strategies and to your brain, it is always better. Because today your brain might be sharp, you are able to catch that quick trade and make some 10,000, 15,000 go. But tomorrow, as you age, your brain will not be that faster and the market will not be the same, because algos have already taken over the market and they are very fast. You can see a trigger and immediately 200, 300 points it will run. So in that case, it is very difficult for you to adjust also. So this kind of strategies will definitely give you a lot of confidence on your trading, and it will give you that peace of mind. Okay, I know that if my view goes wrong, I am going to use just 19,000 rupees, and if I win, then my profit is about 55,000 rupees. So it's very clear in my mind. I can sleep peacefully. Yes, this is the money which I am ready to lose. That's it. And you should be confident on your technical analysis by factoring all the things which are happening in the global market and ensure that you take the right direction. You cannot go wrong, like even if you go wrong 50% of the time because of this risk to reward ratio, then also you will make money. How? Because your profit when you are right is bigger. So when it starts running into the profits in your direction, let that expire in that zone. The moment you see this peak profit 55,000, you cut your trade and enter the next trade. There are days when the profit comes to you like within 1 or 2 days. That's enough for us. We can try a fresh trade. So it's not necessary that I should carry this for the entire week. I'm ready that if I have to close the trade with the maximum profit, I can close it. That's simple as that. So you need to decide, guys, how do you want to trade, because these are the most simple strategies and very friendly strategies for yourself and for your brain and for your health. One thing which is not permanent in life is your health and your time. Nothing remains same all throughout life. So don't try to stress yourself a lot and don't try to achieve everything in a day or two. You're not going to become a millionaire in a day. So stay tuned and keep watching my channel for such kind of good videos, and please do subscribe and share these videos. I hope you're learning a lot from these videos. If you are learning, then please do comment on my channel and appreciate the work which has been done. Thank you so much for watching.